In Piccetto Metro Station. Hier is een OTIS alla Hydr. Stas in H, 5 voor NN, 6147, 30 kilograms. Stas in 5, OTIS Europa. Sorry. Stas in H. What a long night inside trains, but now we arrived in Perugia and I'm taking a ride inside this elevator. Looks, it's really good. It's a nice elevator. Sorry, I cannot go to the cop because I am very late in a part. Next time I will go in Perugia. I will take a ride on the elevators of the cop, which I don't know which brand are. Vado a fare anche l'altro. Other OTIS 2000H. Shhh. Sto riprendendo. Shhh. 5 for NN, 6146, 2005, 13 per 90 kilograms. OTIS 2000H. Oh. Ah. That's it. Shh. Another ride on the first elevator. Shh. Shh. E il metro sta là, andiamo. Ah.
Provare si può provare tutto.
That's it.